Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Apple stock. And so guys, let's do the price action analysis on this thing and let's identify how high can it go? Does it still has a potential to keep going higher, or is it the time to short Apple, or should you just buy it and it's going to keep going up? So we'll talk about everything based off of the price action in this video. What are the possibilities? And yeah, with that guys, let's jump right into it. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. I'm going to really quickly a little bit clean up here no, I think that trend line is important. I'm going to get rid of this trend line down here, but yeah, we'll keep this trend line because it's more important, like a daily, weekly trend line. So this is still an acting support on this if we come down there. But anyways, let's talk about the price action first on Apple. We had an all-time high breakout, and after this pretty much candle as well, I was saying that it's just going to keep going higher, guys. Any pullback that may come, if it comes, it's just a buy, and it has been just going higher. Now we are having these red today. So, oh, Junior Trader, it's time to short it now. Well, wait. No. Why I say no? Because, well, sure, it may cool off a little bit more, but we'll have to take a look at hourly interval in just a second. So let's go over there. And so we are here on hourly interval, and oh, sorry, I didn't mean to turn that off. I meant to turn that off. Okay. So, oh, I'm sorry, guys. Here we go. Let's go back again on the hourly interval. Yeah. Okay, so still we are bullish on Apple. Yes, some as if cool off is coming. Let's talk about it if some more cool off can come. So for that, what you are watching is this pretty much the level. 211 and 60 cents. If we lose 211 and 60 cents, Apple has a room to come down to 207 as well, 207 and 90 cents. And that would be the level. Then you're watching if price action holds a support there. Now the thing is that so this is like if the level breaks to the downside, but if we break again above 213 and 48 cents, this can just from here continue higher back up to the level of again all-time highs, that is 220 almost. Now here's the thing though, if I take it to the 4 hours interval, don't let this pullback make you feel that it's time to short. Don't let it fool you. When we have these strong demand candles, right, like as it just gave you one level on the hourly interval, if we lose that level, which was around 211, that $207 range can come, but this is where this demand zone is. So I would put it as just a pullback, and then intraday and for coming days it may still give you upside. Guys, it's not something, now we are on back again on daily interval, it's not something that is just going to crash below now. No, any pullbacks on Apple that will come, it will just stay bullish. All right, so it's just about waiting for the pullbacks on lower time frames, watching where the price is holding support, and Apple is more better traded as a long-term trade, and it's just bullish. It's just a pullback and those could be bought. If structure has to fully turn bearish again, well, Apple has to lose this trend line that we have down there. Otherwise, no. And as I said, intraday cool-offs as they may come, you are watching the level of first 211 and 60 cents. If we lose that, some cool-off may come. Otherwise, otherwise that's still a support. And as if we continue to break up the level of 213 and 44 cents area, this will just intraday also continue higher up from right away where it is. Showing you on the 5 minutes interval, you can see some sell-off is happening up here on the top, right? We have had 220 sell-off here, then one more sell-off here, then one more sell-off here. I get it. We have been making all these lower highs, and that's why there is intraday possibility of cool-off as if we lose 211 and 60 cents area. And yeah, otherwise I gave you the level also continuation to the upside. Let's say if we get above this, 213 and 44 cents intraday, this will again start to go up. So yeah, those are the, again, at least for intradays, those are the levels to watch. And then as I said, once the pullback gets deeper around $207 area, that's just a pullback, and then from there it may start to go up again, but definitely we'll want to see a confirmation of the structure, but I'll talk about it when that happens. But anyways, so that's Apple, guys. So all in all, this is still bullish. I mean, this is I don't think this is the time to short. Intraday, you can try it with the levels that I provided, but all in all, the structure is still bullish on this thing. All right, so it's better to trade with the structure. This is the time to take partial profits up here, and then waiting for the pullback is the right way to trade if you don't want to have a heart attack. Because when you trade against the trend, you have to just do quick intraday trading. But since you are doing against the trend, it's usually going to get wrapped up in all that knockouts left or right, up or down. So anyways, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Bye.